Mac Mini late 2014 is a beautiful machine at all, but you may feel it is running slow and lagging. You can fix these issues easily by upgrading hard disks to SSD. It is a very easy process, but you need some specific tools. You can get it on ifixit.com, link provided in the description. In the video, we will see how to upgrade hard disks to SSD on Mac Mini late 2014. Before start, I would recommend you to back up all your data. Let's see. For opening Mac Mini, make sure all tools are available. From backside, use and flick plastic opening tool to open black cap. Use TR6 Torx screwdriver to open those screws and open Wi-Fi antenna plate very carefully. It is attached with the screws and in the logic board. Open it using T6 screwdriver. Remove T6 screws from the fan. Open fan connector from the logic board. Open SATA cable connector bracket and disconnect the SATA cable from the logic board. To remove logic board, remove those screws. Now use logic board removal tool and pull slightly open and open this connector from the logic board. Pull the DC cable and disconnect it. Carefully slide the logic board. Then remove this clip and rotate this connector 90° anti-clockwise. Slide the power supply. Pull out hard disk tray. Use T8 to remove it. Disconnect the tape carefully. Disconnect hard disk from the flex and connect SSD. And align it into tray. in the position to position power supply. Rotate the connector 90 degree clockwise. Insert the clip. Now insert the MLB in the position. Then carefully connect power supply. Push MLB. Connect HD cable, logic board and SATA cable bracket. Connect logic board, screw, fans carefully. Connect Wi-Fi antenna. Attach this screw. And black plate. Now connect power supply, keyboard and mouse. Power on Mac Mini. Press and hold Command R, or in Windows keyboard use Windows key and R key. Release those buttons when we will see the Apple logo in the booting icon. Then from the Wi-Fi list, select your Wi-Fi network. After some time, we will see the OSX utilities. Here make sure the Wi-Fi is connected. Then Dix utility, continue. Select SSD from the left side, then erase. And check it is Mac OS X journal is selected. New partition is created. Go back and click Install Mac OS X, continue. macOS will install automatically. After installation, create your user. Finally, macOS installed. But you can see the installed macOS is very old Yosemite version. From Yosemite, you cannot install the latest one. I found error like this. In this case, you need to install macOS Sierra first, then you can install latest macOS. From this link, download the macOS Sierra file from this link. Double click on the install DMG file. Then install OS PKG file. After complete this process, you can see the install macOS Sierra file in the application folder. And it will restart and install macOS Sierra automatically. Now you can see that latest App Store is. If you want to install the latest version, just go to the App Store and search for the latest OS and install it. After install the Sierra, you can download and install latest macOS. Like I want macOS Catalina. So going to the website, click on the macOS Catalina. Now App Store will open automatically with the macOS Catalina link, and download the file. And install it. It will restart and install automatically. That's all. Hope it is helped you. Please do like and share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you.